All right, we are on the record. Counsel's at the table. Number 6, note. To the judge, the jury is ready to deliver the verdict. State ready?
State's ready, Your Honor.
Mr. Cruz, defense ready? All right, thank you. You may bring the jury out. Actually, hang on just a moment. I'm sorry. I want to say something to the audience. So, ladies and gentlemen of the audience, I want to make sure that you understand, and you have been very understanding so far. So this is not an accusation. This is just a direction for everyone who's in the courtroom. This is a courtroom, and it is a court of law. There is to be no yelling or screaming or jumping up and down or any carrying on. Again, this is a court of law. Any kinds of those demonstrations of emotions need to be reserved for outside the courthouse. I'm going to ask for decorum. I'm going to demand it, but certainly ask all of you to continue behaving in the appropriate way that you all have been. And I appreciate everyone's patience. I appreciate everyone's cooperation. But I'm instructing all of you again that this is a court of law and everyone is to remain calm. Thank you. You may bring the jury out. All 12. Thank you. You all may be seated. Madam Foreperson, I understand the jury has reached a verdict. Is that correct? Would you please hand it to Mr. Terrell? The court will look it over first. Then I'm going to hand it back to you, Madam Foreperson, to read it out loud, called publishing in open court. Thank you. All right, Madam Foreperson, if you would read the verdict from top to bottom, you may remain seated. If it's easier for you to stand, you certainly can. If you'll pull that microphone in front of you down to you, read it from top to bottom. It is called, again, publishing the verdict. Thank you. You may proceed.
Okay. The jury finds the defendant on the following counts. Count 1, malice murder, guilty. Count 2, felony murder, guilty. Count 3, felony murder, guilty. Count 4, felony murder, guilty. Count 5, felony murder, guilty. Count 6, burglary, guilty. Count 7, aggravated sodomy, guilty. Count 8, rape, guilty. Count 9, aggravated assault, guilty. Count 10, aggravated sodomy, guilty. Count 11, sodomy, guilty. Count 11, arson in the first degree, guilty. Count 12, possession of a knife during commission of a felony, guilty.
All right, Madam Foreperson, if you would present that verdict to our bailiff. Mr. Terrell, if you'll bring it up to the bench. May I see counsel at the bench for you all to review the form of the verdict. Thank you. Any objection to the form of the verdict by the state?
None from the state, Your Honor.
Any objection to the form of the verdict by the defense? Thank you. You may be seated. Do either party want to poll the jury? I'll ask the state first.
State does not, Your Honor.
Mr. Cruz, defense?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to poll each and every one of you, and that means the court is going to ask each juror the same questions and answer how you feel is best. I'm going to start on the front row with Madam Foreperson. Was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Sir, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you?
Yes.
Is this now your verdict?
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, was this your verdict in the jury room?
Yes.
Was this verdict agreed to by you?
Yes.
Is this now your verdict?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm now going to go from right to left. Sir, was this your verdict in the jury room?
Yes.
Was this verdict agreed to by you? Yes. Is this now your verdict?
Yes.
Thank you. Ma'am, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Ma'am, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Ma'am, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Sir, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Sir, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Sir, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Sir, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Sir, was this your verdict in the jury room? Was this verdict agreed to by you? Is this now your verdict? Thank you. Anything else from the state with regard to polling the jury?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Cruz, anything else with regard to polling the jury, sir? All right, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your service to this county, Clark County. It has been a long month. You have been very patient. You have always been here on time. I'm going to release all of you from any further attendance in this case. With the thanks of the court, you are all going to be free to go in just a moment. The bailiff will lead you to the front door as usual. You will be escorted to the elevator and escorted to the parking deck to your cars. With the thanks of the court, you are all free to go. Thank you. Everyone keep their place, please.
Judge, can you give me the instruction in regards if they want to stay behind and speak to counsel?
No? I certainly can
Or
do
if they're
that.
willing?
And I will give counsel leave to leave the courtroom and speak to the jury if they want to. Everyone else needs to remain, please. But certainly if counsel would like to do that, you may do that. I'll say it to them as they leave, Mr. Cruz, if you'd like me to. Sure. But everyone else needs to remain. Thank you. And again, there's no filming, as media has, obliged the court. Thank you, of any of the jurors. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, as you leave, if counsel would like to speak with you and you would like to speak with them, you may. Otherwise, you are all free to go. Thank you for your service. Ladies and gentlemen, if you didn't hear me, if you would like to speak to any of the counsel, if they'd like to speak with you, it is up to you whether you'd like to. You may. Otherwise, you are free.